open in Photoshop, we have this beautiful image. So the first thing we do is to create a new layer. Then we remove the blemishes. Remove blemishes. So we name this layer blemish removal. So we go to the scaling brush tool and we look for some blemishes on the image and clean them up. So I think that's all. We've removed most of the blemishes. They were not that much. So then we come to frequency separation.
Please, before we continue, I'm starting a new series called Editing Your Photos. So please, you first subscribe to this channel. You go to Instagram, you search Edney Studios, follow me on Instagram, then you send your photos for me to edit so I can do retouch and color grading, such as this Brandon Woelfel style and other things, composition. So try your luck.
So we've done a little frequency separation. So this was the before and this the after. So after that we create another stamp visible layer, Ctrl Shift Alt E, and then make it a smart object. And now we open Camera Raw. So we've gotten to this stage. So after this you can choose to stop here or you can take it a step further. So first thing we create an exposure adjustment layer. And you invert the layer mask. Take a brush, paint with white foreground color on the light. brighten them. So after we brighten the light, we are going to bring in some prism bokehs to make the image nicer. So let's bring in this. So after we've added this prism bokehs, we created some visible layer. Again, Ctrl Shift Alt E. We convert it to a smart object. We open it in Camera Raw. So we come to do, I think, the same basic thing. So So this is how to edit like Brandon Woelfel. This is my version, maybe if you don't like it, but please, if you like it, what you see, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. So this is the before. This was how it was before, and this is how it is now. Please like and subscribe. I'm Edney and I'm signing out.